like you have a one.
I look like I have a baby in my belly
Yeah.
because I ate so much?
Yeah.
Well, thank you. Ew, that's nasty. I know. What is that?
Slime. Slime farts.
It's making farts?
Yeah.
Do it again.
Okay. Let me try it again.
Okay. Ew.
That's funny.
That's funny, but ew, it's yucky. It won't go back in there. Whoa.
Okay.
Didn't do it?
No.
Try again. Ew, what is that?
Slime.
What's it doing?
Farting.
Ew, it makes fart sounds. That's Ew, that's yucky.
That's a diarrhea poo.
Oh, it is. But look, part of it's right here. Do you like that slime?
Yeah.
Why do you like it so much?
Because I like it farting.
You like how it makes weird
It
noises?
fart.
Got to shake it around and put an air in there?
Yeah.
Is that what you think is happening? Yuck.
I'm gonna do it again.
Okay.
Take it. Dump it out.
Ew. Hey, what did you do? Where's Clarice and Maleficent? Show me those. Do you like those?
Yeah. I could bread on it a little bit.
You can what?
Bread.
Bread. Oh, from your biscuit?
Yeah.
Oh, well, that's okay. I think that we might have to wash them.
You can't wash toys.
Why not?
I
We could wipe
do
them
it.
off. I heard that.
Just the slime.
Do it one more time.
Okay. Then that's a video.
Ew.
Again.
One more time and then tell everybody bye.
Bye. Let's do it.